Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can sign out of your Tubi TV account. So guys, if you're trying to sign out of your Tubi account but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So guys, just go ahead and tap over here and you would be in the home page of Tubi. Once you're here, just click at the top right corner over here, and once you just tap on your name here, you'll see options like account settings, help center, activate your device, and finally sign out. In order to log out, just go ahead and tap on sign out over here and you would successfully be able to sign out. As you can see, I'm already signed out. So that's how you sign out of your Tubi TV account. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.